Hello students. Our today's grammar topic is active and passive voice. Voice is the form of a verb takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. There are two types of voice, that is active and passive voice. Active voice. Active voice is used to show that the subject of the sentence is performing or causing the action. For example, Lebron scored 3 points. Now I'll give you a few more examples to understand this topic better. God loves all men. So God is the subject, loves is verb, and all men is object. Then birds build nests. Birds is subject, build is verb, and nest is object. Next, dog eats bones. So your dog is subject, eats is verb, and bones is object. So in these three sentences, the subject does the action. As you can see in these examples, subject does the action. Like God loves, birds build, dog eats. Hence they are in the active voice. Passive voice. Passive voice is used when the subject is the recipient of the action. For example, the score was made by Lebron. Now I'll give you a few more examples to understand this topic better. All men are loved by God. All men is the object. Are loved is the verb. By God is the subject. So you can see the structure of the passive voice. First comes object, then verb, and then subject. And you remember the structure of active voice. In active voice, subject comes first, then verb. The position of the verb remains the same, but the form of the verb changes while you are changing active to passive. Then comes object. Okay, so you can see the difference in the structure of active and passive voice. Next example, nests are built by birds. Nest is the object, are built is a verb, by birds is subject. Bones are eaten by a dog. Bones is the object, are eaten is the verb, by dog is the subject. So these sentences are in passive voice. Fundamental rules for changing from active voice to passive voice. First one, the places of subject and object are interchanged. For example, active voice, I write a letter, and while you will change it into passive, the sentence will be letter is written by me. Second fundamental rule for changing active to passive voices, the word by is used before the subject in sentences in passive voice. For example, active voice, he sings a song, and while you change it into passive, the sentence will be a song is sung by him. Third point, the word by is not always used before subject in passive voice. Sometimes words with, to, etc. may also be used before subject in passive voice. For example, active voice, he knows me. When you change it into passive, the sentence will be I am known to him. Consider this list of the pronouns and the change they undergo when a sentence is turned from active to passive voice. I is the active voice. When we are changing I into passive, it will become me. We is the active voice. When we'll change it into passive, it becomes us. Then you will remain the same in active and passive both. Then he is in the active voice. When we are changing into passive, it becomes him. She is the active voice. When we are changing into passive, it becomes her. And it will remain the same in both active and passive voice. They is the active voice. And when we are changing into passive, it becomes them. Points to be considered when we are changing an imperative sentence from active to passive. Imperative sentence is one that gives command or request, and it does not carry a subject, so let be should be used in it. So here the structure is given let plus subject plus be, and if it is negative, so you will use not plus past participle. So example, you can see active voice, shut the door, and when we are changing into passive, let the door be shut. And when we are doing request, so the sentence will be in active, kindly help me. And when we are changing into passive, the sentence will be, you are requested to help him. Thank you.